in Jamal bin Sadiq.
And those of you who have battled cancer or know someone that is fighting that disease, you probably know the relief that Jamal felt this week. We saw him, he was so relaxed. He said, listen, I'm basically cancer-free right now. I've never felt this good. I'm so excited to be living my life. This opportunity, I will not let it pass me by.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this bout comes to an end by way of the Glory Maximum Knockdown Rule with an official time of 57 seconds of that very first round and ends by technical knockout. For your winner, Jamal bin Sadiq.
We all want to know who you want to fight next. I know there's another Moroccan heavyweight sitting ringside here named Badr Hárī. You got anything to say to him?
Look, of course, I want to rematch against... Okay, listen. The one who calls himself the bad boy, please enter the ring and let's give the fans what they want. I am waiting, enter the ring.
Badr, what did you think about Big Ben's performance tonight?
Yeah, it was funny. You know, the guys he fought, with all due respect, but these are amateurs, you know? And, come on. They do their best, but they're not the best, so I'm surprised by what he said. You know, he's a fellow Moroccan. It's not my choice to fight him, but if he wants, you know, I'm ready, so let's go.
Do you want to see it, ladies and gentlemen? Jamal bin Sadiq and